Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be showcasing our DC-40T-Up-Term-Bay timer. This model is going out to Haas Garage Doors as they have requested a production processing timer that keeps a log of the number of cars that are being maintained in their workspace. What makes this unit unique is its network functions, specifically for logging in cars. This is accomplished by connecting to the internet via an Ethernet cable and our own custom web page that keeps a tally of the number of automobiles that are going through the workspace. This is accomplished by connecting to the internet via an Ethernet cable, which then goes through our own custom web page that keeps a tally of the number of automobiles that are going in and out of the workspace. How this is meant to work is that the brake beam sensor detects the car, and after a minute has gone by and the car leaves the workspace, it then keeps a record of it via our custom web page. So now I'm going to be showcasing how this unit is meant to work. So I'm just going to place a piece of paper in front of this deflective area sensor here, and I'm just going to leave it in front of that sensor for a minute. As you can see, the digits are going up, and it can count up to a total of 99 hours and 59 minutes. So as you can see on the left-hand side, we have our web page, which is completely free. You don't have to install third-party softwares or do anything like that. You just basically type in MAC address into the URL link, and that will transport you to our custom web page, and it's derived from the DC Digital website itself. So as you can see, a minute is about to be going by, so 58, 59, and a minute. And you can see it on both the enclosure and the time that's on the computer. And as you can see, the thing keeps a record of that. And at that point, the next car comes along and it will repeat the process all over again, and it'll add another log on the computer and onto the web page. So now I'm going to be going over the hardware aspect of this model. So as you can see, its enclosure is a 14-gauge aluminum encasing that is fingerprint resistant, and it is black powder coated. Its dimensions are 16 inches wide, it is 6 inches tall and 3 inches deep. Its display size is 4 inches, and it can count up to a total of 99 hours and 59 minutes, as I've said before. The number of digits it has is 4 digits, and it can be viewed up to a total of 200 feet. Its power type is a 120 to 240 VAC wall adapter with a 6-feet cord. But for this model in particular, we just use an RJ45 Ethernet connection. For mounting, we have our 4x4 or 2x4 electrical rough inbox tier slotted knockout drops. And for custom models, if the client requests, we offer handles and tripod mountings. And lastly, for accessories, we have our diffusive reflective sensor input that can be hardwired into the terminal, which is inside of the enclosure. This model in particular was provided by our own customers, and it detects objects up to 10 feet away. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40T-Up-Term-Bay uptimer with a brake beam sensor and custom web page. Thanks for watching.